National Asthma and Allergy Awareness Month and peak season for those suffering from the diseases. One of Hawaii's leading health insurers tells us about a program that can help.
Asthma is a chronic medical condition. It's not something that can be cured. It's a hypersensitivity of your respiratory system. You get swelling of the airways when you're exposed to a trigger. You get constriction of the muscles around the airways, and you get increased mucus production, and all these things cause it to be difficult to breathe. We don't really know what causes asthma. One of the conclusions was that it certainly will make it worse if you already have asthma, if you're exposed to fog over a period of time. Some other triggers for asthma include pets, so you maybe have an allergy or exposure to pet dander. Cleaners, some things as simple as taking beta blockers or aspirin can sometimes trigger it in certain people. In asthma management, the goal is to partner with the patient and the physician who's involved in the patient's care. I teach them about triggers. They help me identify what their triggers are. We review their medications and the side effects of their medications and how they work. And then we draft an action plan.
Living is really hard because in the beginning part, I couldn't laugh. Just 2-3 minutes of laughing, then I would be wheezing heavily and I couldn't run. Walking, the times that was really hard, I would walk only about maybe 5 feet or so, and I'd be out of breath. Breathing from your stomach and inhaling it and blowing out really slowly. It was really beneficial for me. Connie is very well educated in that certain field, and she's very compassionate.
Anyone who's a member of UHA who has asthma, I think there'd be something to learn. All the classes I've done so far have been on a one-to-one, case-by-case basis, which is very effective because you can identify the individual issues that the person's having. The ALA has a tagline, if you can't breathe, nothing else matters. So I think that that's really important, and unless you've had an asthma event yourself, you may not really understand what that means.
This segment is sponsored by UHA Health Insurance.
For more information, visit HINow Daily.com.